Tea weight loss benefits three-way magic. What do tea weight loss studies tell us about its ability to help us keep slim? Is black tea as effective as green tea in the battle of the bulge? These days it seems everyone is in a constant battle to lose weight. Diets and exercise programs are everywhere you turn, from television to newspapers to the internet. Could the simple act of drinking tea help you lose weight? A study was described in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition concluded that indeed it could burn fat. Green tea contains high levels of compounds known as catechin polyphenols. These interact with other chemicals, including caffeine, to burn fat. The process is called thermogenesis. This is how the body burns fat to produce more energy. These compounds are antioxidants, which have been proven to destroy free radicals to improve health and fight the risk of cancer. Foods rich in antioxidants are recommended as part of a healthy diet. Burn calories. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study compared the weight loss of subjects who drank green tea extract daily with those who did not. After 3 months, the green tea drinkers lost more body fat on average. The researchers concluded that the catechins found in green tea aided in fat oxidation. Another Japanese study determined that by drinking 5 cups of green tea per day, subjects burned 70 to 80 more calories than those in the control group. Glucose regulator. Green tea has been found to aid in the metabolism of glucose and lipids. In fact, there are several research studies that show that green tea aids in maintaining low levels of blood sugar. This is beneficial not only in weight loss, but also potentially in staving off the onset of diabetes. In addition, green tea prevents fat storage and blocks dietary fat absorption. Green versus black. Why is green tea more helpful than black tea in weight loss? Black tea is fermented, while green tea is not. This process destroys some of the polyphenols. Green tea has been shown to have much higher levels of epigallocatechin 3-gallate, or EGCG, the most beneficial antioxidant found in tea. You would have to drink a lot more black tea than green to get the same tea weight loss benefit. A healthy diet and exercise plan is the keystone to losing weight. And maybe drinking more green tea will help. Any diet includes ingesting plenty of water. Substitute a glass or 2 per day with green tea, and see if the results are quicker weight loss. Hi there. If you like this video, please click on like and share also. Feel free to ask anything about health in comments section. Do not forget to subscribe my Health Solutions channel.